In this week's edition of the Business Review, we are revisiting our cultural roots through the Jamaican clothing brand Cooyah. Here's Cody and Barrett.
For over 36 years, the Cooyah clothing brand has remained true to its origin. Created by Homer Bear and Susan Cretman, who is now deceased, Cooyah became entrenched in Jamaica's casual fashion culture in the 1980s when reggae icon Peter Tosh decided to bring his art to life. Today, it's managed by Director of Sale and Marketing Gary Codner.
When Peter Tosh died, his goal was to actually make what Peter Tosh suggested to him come through, which was to do a clothing line. The clothing line was called Cooyah.
Cooyah has since been attracting customers from all over the diaspora with its reggae-inspired apparel brand and forming collaborations with other local designers.
Where we are now, we have two different corporations now, Cooyah and Kemet. Kemet is helping to develop other brands and making partnership with other Jamaican designers so that we can bring their products in our stores and ultimately on our websites.
The brand has been dormant for a few years due to unforeseen circumstances, but re-emerged at its newly renovated 96 Hope Road location.
And we've been doing steady since then. Our wholesale distribution, the numbers are going up. We had pitted a bit, but we're climbing back up and we're looking to at least do at least 300,000 US in the next year or so.
Authentically Jamaican, and the store represents it with displays of some staple pieces of our culture: the jerk pan, the hand cartwheel, and the loudspeaker from the street dance.
It's a dedication to who we are as a people, our music, our culture. The art on the floor is about Jamaica and our Africanness, so we put all of that together to create a really elegant space that is artistic and culturally relevant to Jamaica and our experience. It recently opened another store in Montego Bay at Shops at Rose Hall and is moving forward with more expansion plans. We plan to open our flagship stores, and we're thinking of Ochery as maybe our next move. We're looking into Cayman Islands. We're looking at St. Martin, Trinidad and Tobago. We're exporting this same model as the store is. This will be a signature model where it provides a shopping experience, an entertainment experience, and a cultural experience. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.